Right now, we are literally about to welcome our contestants back on stage for their second presentation to you for the night. Right now, they'll actually be dancing, right?
I can't wait to see that.
Definitely cannot wait. It is time for the contestants' Unity Dance. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to inform you at this point that this dance was choreographed by the very, very, very talented, world-charming Smart Courage. A round of applause for him. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, please keep making some noise as the girls come up for their Unity Dance.
The African.
Does your father know you are here?
You who were formed by the heat of the galaxy. What a thing to be both unique and familiar. Follow your light.
Hello, with everybody for you. I did your shake bello. But it's not one tell. Bello, deliver like I get bello. Them say I did go sell out. Them say I did go sell out. Just give me too fortuna. I go make you Joe Dada. Say you get the power. Sweetie passy, I'm a like too. Shinji Kagawa. Jesu Christi Lobawa. But them falling yakata. You know I see sappy girl they do. Sabi,
This time for Africa. Tango, tango, Samina, mina, sakalewa. Anawa, tango, tango, Samina, mina, sakalewa. Anawa, This time for Africa. This time for Africa.
The African.